Bodybuilders, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts all strive to maximize muscle gain. Regular gym activity alone won't give you a sculpted figure. You'll also need to engage in other well-rounded activities. Sometimes it is difficult to overcome your fitness levels, and you wonder why all your effort seems in vain. Andrew Huberman, an American neuroscientist, gave insights that can help you reach your fitness potential by unlocking valuable muscle-building secrets. These secrets can completely change your thoughts about muscle building and provide a new outlook on your fitness path. Cold immersion versus muscle adaptation. You may have heard about ice baths and cold water exposure as post-exercise recovery methods, but neuroscientist Andrew Huberman says jumping into the cold 4 hours after working out might not be a good idea. It's all about inflammation in the end. After an intense workout, your muscles experience inflammation as part of recovery. Huberman explains that this inflammation is crucial for muscle adaptation. Your body signals, "We need to adapt and grow stronger." When you jump into cold water right after your workout, you reduce this inflammation response, which could hinder your muscle growth. If muscle adaptation is your goal, consider that post-workout ice bath within the critical 4-hour window. Harnessing the power of heat. In simpler terms, heat opens up your blood vessels, creating a fast track for the vital nutrients your muscles need after a workout. Imagine your muscles eagerly awaiting their post-workout feast of oxygen and glucose. As Huberman points out, heat supercharges the delivery of these essential nutrients to your muscles and ligaments, where they're needed most. It's like choosing the express delivery option for muscle recovery. So, the next time you finish a grueling workout, embrace the warmth. You may create the perfect environment for your muscles to regenerate and expand using heat treatment, whether a steamy shower or a soothing sauna session. It is stunning how vital heat is for muscle healing. Maximizing your body's natural processes for optimal results is more important than just feeling comfortable after a workout. Heat can be a game changer for individuals seeking to accelerate their muscle recovery and general fitness advancement. The 3-5 strength training concept. Neuroscientist and fitness expert Andrew Huberman reveals the secret technique. Choose 3 compound exercises. Work through each set with 3 to 5 repetitions and take a 3 to 5 minute break in between. Perform this exercise 3 to 5 times every week. But why is this method so potent? Huberman emphasizes that strength training primarily involves neural adaptation. In simpler terms, it's about teaching your nervous system to recruit muscle fibers more efficiently. With the 3-5 concept, you focus on the quality of each repetition rather than pushing your limits every time. This approach provides your central nervous system with the practice it needs to make you stronger without leaving you feeling completely drained or excessively sore. It's about lifting smarter, not just lifting heavier weights. This is why powerlifters, the giants of strength, can train frequently without succumbing to the intense soreness that often follows high-intensity workouts. So, if your goal is to build strength like a seasoned pro, remember the essentials: 3 compound exercises, 3 to 5 repetitions per set, and ample rest periods. It's about training intelligently, and the 3-5 strength training concept is your ticket to reaching new heights in your fitness journey. Unleashing hypertrophy. According to Dr. Andrew Huberman, the key to hypertrophy is that the repetition range can be flexible, ranging from 6 to 30 repetitions per set. But here's the twist. To effectively stimulate muscle growth, you'll need to complete around 10 sets per muscle group per week, perhaps even more. There's one critical element here. You've got to push your limits, going to muscle failure, or perhaps even beyond. But why does hypertrophy training work so effectively across such a wide range of repetitions? Huberman reveals that it triggers muscle growth through 3 distinct mechanisms. Tissue microdamage. This involves the tiny tears and damage your muscles endure during exercise, which then repair and grow back stronger. Tension-based changes. This is the alteration of molecular gene programs within your cells due to increased tension on the muscles, signaling your body to build more muscle proteins. Metabolic effects. High repetition work, often seen in hypertrophy training, floods your muscles with blood, promoting growth. Huberman even mentions a fascinating training method called blood restriction training, where muscles are partially restricted with cuffs during low-weight, high-repetition exercises. This unique approach triggers hypertrophy without causing much soreness or tissue damage. But remember, to stimulate hypertrophy effectively, you must push your muscles to their limits. It's not about merely going through the motions. It's about reaching that point of muscle failure, or even making it beyond it. So, whether you want to sculpt a chiseled physique or add solemn muscle mass, hypertrophy training is the key to unlocking your muscle-building potential. The endurance twist. Andrew Huberman recommends a unique approach for your fitness journey, adding max heart rate work. This twist can provide significant benefits for both your endurance and muscle maintenance. The approach is simple yet powerful. Instead of splitting your workouts into distinct strength training and cardio days, Huberman suggests dedicating one day each week to a distinctive challenge. You'll engage in all-out, maximum heart rate workouts on this day. Imagine pushing yourself to the absolute limit for 90 seconds, followed by a well-deserved rest, and then repeating the 90-second all-out sprint. This intensive cardiovascular workout pushes your heart and lungs to new heights and engages various muscle fibers. The benefits are twofold. Firstly, it enhances your endurance by training your cardiovascular system to perform at peak levels. Secondly, it contributes to muscle maintenance and potentially even muscle growth. So, whether you're aiming to break through endurance plateaus or maintain your hard-earned muscle mass, this endurance twist could be the secret weapon you've been looking for in your fitness journey. Sprinting for functional fitness. Andrew Huberman has a fascinating workout routine for you that combines the elements of strength, cardio, and agility. You start with a 1-mile run and time yourself. Let's say it takes you 8 minutes. After that, you rest or walk for another 8 minutes. Then, you go out for another mile, aiming to beat your previous time. Rinse and repeat this one to 3 times a week. This unique workout tests cardiovascular fitness and challenges muscular endurance and mental tenacity. This full-body exercise can improve your functional fitness and make it easier and more energetic to carry out daily tasks. So, try this sprinting method if you seek a well-rounded workout regimen incorporating strength, cardio, and agility. This is the moment where we shape a roadmap for your success, tailored to your unique goals and preferences. Strength training. Embrace the 3 bags 5 strength training concept. Decide on 3 compound exercises, complete 3 to 5 repetitions for each set, and then take a 3 to 5 minute break. 3 to 5 times a week. Repeat this process. This method is your gateway to building raw, efficient strength. Hypertrophy. Sculpt your physique by working across a wide repetition range from 6 to 30 reps per set. Aim for around 10 sets per muscle group weekly, and don't shy away from pushing to failure or beyond. It's the secret to unlocking muscle growth. Endurance twist. Dedicate 1 day a week to max heart rate work. Engage in 90 seconds of all-out effort, rest, and repeat. This elevates your endurance and engages different muscle fibers, giving you a more well-rounded fitness. Functional fitness. Huberman's mile repeat routine is a fantastic way to combine strength, cardio, and agility. Run a mile, rest or walk for the same duration, and sprint another mile, aiming to beat your previous time. Incorporate this routine thrice a week for a versatile fitness regimen. This fitness plan is your canvas. Customize it to your aspirations and preferences. These principles can be adjusted to meet your specific objectives, whether to increase strength, shape your body, endurance, or fitness. Take charge, create the best workout regimen, and start on a life-changing path to become a healthier and more energetic version of yourself. Your fitness destiny is in your hands. Now that we've uncovered the science behind building muscle and optimizing your fitness routine with insights from neuroscientist Andrew Huberman, it's time to take action. Whether you aim to build muscle, boost endurance, or achieve overall fitness, implement these principles into your workout routine today. Share this video with fellow fitness enthusiasts, and remember to like and comment below with your opinions and questions. We'll push our boundaries and reach new heights in our fitness journeys.